There are many products available to choose vacuums, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vacuums from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Levoit Elvac 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum. I simply cannot stop raving about this vacuum. It's the only one you and I will ever need, and therefore our pick for the best overall vacuum. The Levoit Elvac 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum is just as good as, if not better than, more expensive and high-tech models from innovative brands, such as Dyson or Tineco. It just lacks the smart features that you don't totally need and is the full package. My household vacuums daily, and sometimes multiple times per day to pick up my toddler's snack leftovers. And every time I use this vacuum for a whole house clean, the dustbin is packed full afterwards. It humbles me, a vacuum expert and avid cleaner, and wraps up each 30 to 45-minute clean with battery life to spare. I can usually clean my house completely twice before needing to plug it in to charge, which is also a quick and easy process since the battery pack pops right out. You don't need to plug in the entire vacuum. Number 2. Miele Blizzard CX 1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum. When it comes to canister vacuums, we've historically been big fans of Miele products, given the quality and durability of the brand's models. They're investment pieces, but you're paying for what you get, a very reliable workhorse. We're loving the Miele Blizzard CX 1 Cat and Dog Bagless Canister Vacuum right now. The Miele CX1's most notable feature is its self-clean function, which cleans the canister of dust and keeps it in tip-top shape. The bagless design also means you won't have to budget for replacement bags, a perk since, as noted, this vacuum is what we'd call an investment. Now, the cord doesn't auto-pull as you vacuum farther away, so be sure to pull out how much cord you need for your cleaning session from the start. It does automatically rewind later on. There are several settings you can make use of, and all will be effective at picking up messes on hard floors and carpeting. Number 3. Kenmore Elite Cordless Stick Vacuum. After several rounds of testing, the Kenmore Elite Cordless Stick Vacuum is our favorite in this category, and not just because it weighs about the same as my 2 MacBook Pros. Just 6 pounds. This vacuum operates so quietly and can actually bend in half to reach under furniture, so you don't have to. Setting up the Kenmore Elite is easier with a friend though. While you could do it by yourself, it's challenging to put this vacuum together since it needs to be upright the entire time. In comparison to other stick vacuums we've tested, this model evenly distributes its weight once you're up and running. Since it's cordless, you're also free to roam for up to 40 minutes, less if you use the vacuum on max mode versus its eco mode. It does sometimes feel like the battery dies quicker than we'd like. In our experience, it's best for everyday cleaning, but not necessarily deep cleaning or sprucing up a couch cushion. Number 4. Bissell MultiClean Allergen Rewind Pet Vacuum. Pets come with their own cleaning challenges, and not every vacuum is up to the task, although we did find a lot of our favorite picks are suitable for pet messes. Pet hair tends to stick to fabrics, can be fine, and can easily tangle in your rugs, not to mention your vacuum's brush roll. The Bissell MultiClean Allergen Pet Rewind is a corded upright vacuum that's made for this sort of challenge though. It gives you 25 feet of cord to roam your house, and 2 helpful attachments to truly tackle hair, kibble, or even non-pet related messes. It's also a pro at deep cleaning rugs, hard floors, and more. Its cleaning power is just wrapped up in a heavy package. An attachment that Bissell has dubbed a pet turbo eraser tool gives you extra oomph on your upholstery and carpets, which really makes this pick extra suitable for pet owners. Number 5. Tineco Pure One S11 Vacuum. After years of testing, the Tineco Pure One S11 Tango still stands out to us. It rivals any Dyson vacuum, and we really love its mix of basic functionality and futuristic features, including a digital readout of what you have captured from your carpet. Tineco's original claim to fame was its Floor One S3 wet-dry vacuum, which expertly handles wet spills and dry crumbs on any hard flooring. And it remains a favorite among influencers and our editors after testing and real-world use. This pick, the Pure 1S11 Tango, is purely for dry messes, but offers expert-level cleaning on hard and soft surfaces. It only struggled with larger debris like cereal. You don't need to put in much elbow grease, even if you are transitioning from an area rug to a hardwood floor. You don't even have to bend over to see if the brush roll is tangled from your dog's hair. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.